Pandas. Pandas is a powerful and flexible open-source data analysis and manipulation tool for the Python programming language. It provides data structures for efficiently storing large datasets and tools for manipulating and analyzing those datasets. The two primary data structures in Pandas are the series and DataFrame. A series is a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold any data type, while a data frame is a two-dimensional table-like structure that can hold multiple series. Pandas provides a wide range of functionality for working with data, including reading and writing data to / from various file formats, for example CSV, Excel, JSON. Handling missing or null values. Merging, joining, and reshaping data. Grouping and aggregating data. Sorting and filtering data. Applying mathematical and statistical operations to data. Pandas is widely used in data science, machine learning, and other fields that involve working with large datasets. It is built on top of the NumPy library, which provides fast array computation, and it is compatible with a wide range of other data science libraries such as scikit-learn, Matplotlib, and Seaborn.